Oh, but you guys will see what I'm talking about right now. You see it's coming? You see it's coming? Oh my goodness, dude. This is the best thing about fishing. Oh wow, look at that. This glowing silver coming towards you. That's dinner. Wow, so beautiful. It's really so beautiful. Yo, hello and welcome back to another video. Good to see you. So, what I'm going to do in this video is a little different, and hopefully you guys will like it and maybe follow the same thing or do something similar to this, because you know I'm in a different spot, and I think what I'm going to do is going to be different everywhere. So I'll try to make a meal using local ingredients, fully local ingredients. So the plan is to collect the ingredients from the wild, but since I'm not a local and I don't know many people who farm or... Wow, it is so loud in here. Let us continue talking somewhere else. And if I don't find them, or I don't have any luck finding anything, I'll just go to the store and buy some local ingredients from there. And then make a delicious fish dinner. What do you think? I'm hyped. The fish that I catch are always amazing. So now it's up to you guys to look at it and judge. Is what I'm doing worth it? Is supporting local is worth it? What's the difference? So yeah, we're right now at the harbor, Halifax harbor. We're about to start fishing for some mackerel. However, the main thing is, you guys gotta know what I have in my bag. Like, how am I fishing when I just have a backpack? When you fish, look at that seagull. You don't need much. You don't really need much at all. So now that we are here, I'll show you guys my fishing gear so you can try this yourself and make your own local meal from the ingredients that you like. Usually I keep everything in here. Like literally everything. Everything else is so easy. This is my second main thing. I'll open it for you. Oh, let me open it for you. So, bam. This is where I keep everything. I think they're both 15 grams. So you can use it as a sinker too. Okay, so before I start fishing, I want to show you guys the most exciting thing, in my opinion, whenever I go fishing. It's the moment that you pull the fish and you see it coming in the water. It's just a magnificent silver color swimming towards you, and with the reflection of the sun. I really have no words, you have to see it yourself. So, let's cast it. Oh, whoa, what's happened? Whoa. Okay. Okay. That's a good cast, not to where I want it, but a good cast. Oh, got it. Yes, guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see this? Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look how it gets nice. She's making me high. She's making me high. A small one, but I will take you for lunch. I will take you for lunch. Stop, please. Let's talk. Can we talk? Please stop it. She's making me high. There's the first fish for Clean the scales off. Not bad. There's something happening, I'm not sure what it is. cast. Oh, there we go. Come on, come out. Mackie. The Mackerel. At this point, it's been 30 minutes and my camera battery died. But look what I got. Battery? Okay guys, the battery just turned off, but I caught my biggest fish ever. My biggest mackerel ever. Too bad I couldn't put it on camera once I got it, but dude, look at the size of this thing. It's huge. This thing is huge. And you know what guys, at this point, this is everything that I caught today. But I really want to show you my double catch from the day before. Enjoy. Oh, there you go. Caught one. I caught one. Oh, two. Wow. Okay, that's my first. Two.
Oh, he got two! Size.
No, I can't get them without the gloves, fine.
Yeah, get the glove.
Yeah, I'll take care of them. Okay, with that, I'm done fishing. I have my fish in the bag. About to get some ingredients and then eat them. Ooh, I'm so tired, but that shower felt so good. I really want to sleep, but I'm hungry as well, so let's start cooking. So this is how I usually fillet my fish, okay? So I'll take the first bad boy in here. Right here. And I'll start filleting. So what I would usually do is just pick up the fin, go on this angle towards the head, cut the head out, flip it the other side, do the same thing. It's time to cry. Let's get some of the fish. There it is, some of the sauce and the rice. Oh, that's rice, by the way, I forgot to mention. And if this week's vlog inspired you to do something new, catch some fish, or start a farm, please let me know. I would love to hear back from you. And don't forget to like this video if you like this video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mez Mazdi because I want to see you in the next week.